Entry doors installation in Rockford, Illinois is a crucial service for homeowners and businesses looking to enhance their property's curb appeal and security. Our team of door replacement experts in Rockford, Illinois specializes in front door replacement and custom entry doors Rockford, ensuring a perfect fit for your unique style and needs. Whether you're interested in energy-efficient doors or need a consultation for entry door styles, we have you covered. For those seeking durable and secure options, steel entry doors, Rockford IL and fiberglass doors Rockford, Illinois are excellent choices. These materials offer superior strength and insulation, making them ideal for both residential entry doors, Rockford, and commercial entry doors, Rockford, Illinois. Our door installation cost Rockford IL is competitive, ensuring you get the best value for your investment. Entry doors Rockford are essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your entry doors. Our Rockford door repair services include door frame repair, Rockford IL, and door hardware installation Rockford, ensuring your doors operate smoothly and securely. We also offer door weatherproofing Rockford, Illinois to protect your home from the elements. Enhance your home's aesthetic with our door painting services, Rockford, and door customization, Rockford IL. Our entry door design Rockford IL team can help you choose from a variety of door glass options. Rockford to create a stunning entrance. Whether you prefer wooden front doors Rockford or modern fiberglass doors, we offer a wide range of entry door styles Rockford, Illinois to suit your taste. For added protection, consider our door security systems Rockford. These systems are designed to provide peace of mind, knowing your home or business is secure. Our entry door maintenance Rockford IL services ensure your doors remain in top condition, extending their lifespan and performance. Storm entry doors, Rockford, and patio doors, Rockford, Illinois are also available to enhance your home's functionality and style. These doors provide additional protection and can improve energy efficiency. Our energy-efficient doors Rockford are designed to reduce energy costs while maintaining comfort. If you're unsure about the best options for your home, our entry door consultation Rockford services can guide you through the process. Our experts will assess your needs and recommend the best solutions. Whether it's a front door replacement Rockford or custom entry doors Rockford, Illinois. In summary, our comprehensive range of services in Rockford, Illinois includes everything from door installation and repair to customization and maintenance. Trust our door replacement experts Rockford, Illinois to deliver exceptional results for all your entry door needs.